Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice Act 4 Scene 1. I already taught up to line 285. Today I am going to start from line 286. Before starting, let me recap a little. The scene opens in the court of Venice. The Duke is in sympathy with noble Antonio, who has fallen in the trap led by cunning and cruel Shylock. Antonio thanks the Duke for the pains he has taken to make Shylock become lenient. The Jew is bent upon having Antonio's pound of flesh. At this point of time, Portia announces that no power in Venice can alter a decree established. The idea delights Shylock so much that he hails the lawyer as a Daniel come to judgment. When she asks to see the bond, Shylock eagerly produces it, insisting upon his pound of flesh, although Portia again offers money and suggests that mercy is better than justice. Now let me start from here. Okay, now in my last video I taught you about Antonio's speech. Okay, this one. Antonio told that he's prepared. Okay, and Antonio told Bassanio farewell. Next, Antonio also told that fortune is kinder to him as he is not being allowed to live wretched life. Now let's start from here. Okay, Antonio is telling Bassanio, okay, come and meet your honorable wife. Tell her the process of Antonio's end. Okay, Antonio is telling Bassanio to tell his wife about the process of Antonio's end. Say how I loved you. Okay, and he also advised him not to repent. Okay, as he is losing his dearest friend. Now Bassanio is telling, I am married to a wife which is as dear to me as life itself. But life itself, my wife, and all the world are not with me esteemed above thy life. Look what Bassanio is telling. Bassanio is telling that Antonio, I have married a wife whom I love very much. Okay, but life itself, my wife, and the whole world are not valued by me higher than your life. I am willing to lose all, to sacrifice everything to this devil Shylock to save you. Now, Portia is not much happy with Bassanio's statement. Okay, because Bassanio is giving much value to Antonio than Portia. Okay, therefore Portia is telling that your wife would give you little thanks. Okay, for that, if she were by to hear you make the offer. Now, Bassanio is telling, okay, same thing. I have a wife whom I protest, I love. I wish she were in heaven so she could entreat some power to change this currish Jew. Currish means doggish Jew. Okay. Now Bassanio is also more or less telling the same thing. I have a wife whom I declare I love. I wish that she were in heaven so that she could request some heavenly or divine power to change the decision of the dog, the Jew. Okay. Currish Jew. Okay, therefore that is called doggish Jew. Now, Nerissa is also not happy that Bassanio is giving such a statement. Nerissa is telling that it's good that you are offering this type of things behind your wife's back. Okay, now the wish would make else an unquiet house. If you would have told all this thing in front of a wife, your house would have become unquiet house. Okay, Nerissa is telling. Now, Shylock is telling, these are the Christian husband. Okay, this is Shylock's view. These are the Christian husband. I have a daughter and I wish that any man from the race of Barabbas had been her husband rather than Christian. Next, Shylock is telling that we are wasting time. I request to proceed with the judgment. Portia is telling, a pound of that same merchant flesh is thine. Okay, the court awards it and the Lord doth give it. Okay, Portia is telling all this to Shylock. Now, Shylock is feeling happy. Shylock is telling, most rightful judge. Portia is telling, and you must cut this flesh from off his breast. Okay, the law allows it and the court also allows it. Now, Shylock is very happy. Shylock is telling, most learned judge, a sentence, come prepare. Now, look, Portia at that point of the time tells that tarry a little. Tarry a little means wait a little. There's something else. This bond that give thee here no jot of blood. Okay. What is the bond telling? That you cannot take a drop of blood also. The word expresses a pound of flesh. In the bond it is written only pound of flesh. Okay, therefore you can take only pound of flesh. You cannot shed a single drop of blood. By chance if you shed a single drop of Christian blood, then your land and goods by the law of Venice would be confiscated. Okay, Bassanio becomes happy and realizes that Portia is not supporting Shylock, but Portia is supporting Antonio. Bassanio tells that, oh, upright judge. Okay, Shylock is telling, is that the law? Portia is telling, yes, it is the law and you have to act upon it. Gratiano is very happy. Gratiano is praising Portia and telling, oh learned judge. Shylock is telling that now Shylock realizes that he would not be able to get 1 pound of flesh, and therefore he is telling that I want the money, give me thrice the amount. At that point of the time, Bassanio was ready to give the money, but Portia tells that no, he would only take the bond, means he would fulfill the bond, otherwise he would not get anything. Up to this much. In my next video, I will continue with this scene. Until then, goodbye.